Gang, so I'm back. This time it's a video. I haven't posted in so long, but it's alright. So I'm right here home alone with the dogs, trying to take care of the dogs for my grandma. So right now it's 9:15. And then I gotta take care of the dogs for my grandma. I'm about to watch Gumball. Yeah, so we have a few more minutes until my grandma comes, I think. For now, I'm watching these dogs. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Guys, I should have recorded this right now. There was a noise right over there, right over there, and my dogs are barking. They're barking at it. There's a noise over there. It's probably nothing though. Sorry. Oh shit, what about a fight? I'm watching some Gumball.
Well, we did the best we could.
So I'm gonna keep you updated if anything happens next. So right now I'm watching Gumball still. And my grandma has this for some reason. I don't know why she has that. I'm gonna use it.
We all have something in common. And the hourglass is the time we need to reach an understanding.
All my dogs right there. So right now I'm gonna feed them. I'm still watching Gumball. So I'm gonna feed them.
Honestly, I'd like you a new one because I myself have attained great sentimental value.
It's not a fountain pen, is it?
Actually, yes, it is.
I'm gonna go feed them. Just I don't know where the dog food is. I don't think. Oh, I know where it is. Alright, I found the dog food. Now I just need something to dig with. I have this cup. Still watching Gumball. To get them food. So, let's see. Got the food. I'm gonna put it in.
Come on.
He's acting crazy right now. But I'm gonna keep getting on this. I don't know why, but I just like it. I'll keep getting on it. Still watching Gumball. I'll keep you updated if anything happens. It's currently 9:22. So,
Turn around, coward.
No, thank you.
Turn around and face the can of butt-puffing that I'm gonna open on you.
whoa. Alright,
Wouldn't it be better to stay
bye.
like we are, Philip?
I'm still in this thing for some
You're
reason,
off the top, isn't it?
but
Let's just get into position.
I'm still watching Gumball. And I didn't get to introduce you.
Kicked our butts like a bee.
I didn't get to introduce you
Awesome.
our dogs and stuff.
I mean, I'm sorry.
First
I didn't
is
come to this.
It's our fault, Joe. We
Uzi.
didn't know it's your family pin.
Well, Obadiah Banana always said that nothing is
That's
possible.
Uzi. He's the
And I know what
he's the cutie of the family. She's always cheapling. And then this is Ahsoka. She's I don't know, but she's like
What?
Your pen. Look, it's got
Normal?
pictures on it. It's great. Oh
I
man.
don't know,
You know what this means?
but she's normal.
It means the pin you linked Joe
She's
was
Carrie.
my pin, not yours. And I was the one who chewed it. I always chew my pin.
He's curious of
Isn't that
everything.
funny? All this waiting for nothing.
I'm getting
But now
distracted.
I had the pin in my pocket the whole time. Pretty
I'm getting
fun, huh?
distracted with Gumba instead of this YouTube video. Guys, if you don't you don't see me, you know what happened to me since I'm recording this. Anyways, I'm gonna let you know if anything happens. Bye. I just took a thumbnail picture. It was like this. My dog was like right here, getting a thing. Oh, this is Ahsoka. Oh, you're about to fight, bro. Hey, no fighting, bro. This dude thinks everything is a joke. What are you looking at? Anyways, I'm gonna go drink a glass of water.
Of course not. What? We have everything we need. State-of-the-art.
What's this about? We never needed a cell phone before.
What are you talking about?
I don't know how we ever managed to live without it.
Okay, where's the camera?
No camera.
Alarm
As you
clock?
can see
Please tell me we have
from
internet.
the earlier shots, my grandma is super religious. But
I know that one day I'll feel regret about the many things we have lost today.
that's my grandpa that died. Rest in peace. This is his memorial. This is Jesus and everything. This is the whole family. This is the gallery family.
Dude, I think I know why we haven't received any calls yet.
Is it because you look like a
That's Liam.
hands-free headset?
He's so cute.
It's because no one got our number.
Oh, there's too many people.
100000011
Yeah, there's too many people in our family. I don't know. Yeah, there's too many people. I can't count them. Yeah, I don't know. There's too many people, but it's all right. I'm here taking care of my dogs. They're not my dogs. They're my grandma's. So I'm gonna keep you updated again. Okay, it's time to go. Say bye to my little friends. That was fun. I'm gonna call my brother to come pick me up, and then I'm gonna head out. Alright? Bye, everybody. Why can I not pause it? Like, what? Alright, bye.